From overlooked reviews to frustrating navigation, Subpages can create barriers for mobile shoppers. These issues disrupt the shopping flow and leave users feeling disoriented. Let's explore why this happens and how to solve this problem. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 1141 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Avoid using subpages within the mobile product details page. During testing, some sites placed product page content on subpages. On sites using subpages, some users couldn't find this information, while others who found it had trouble staying oriented or navigating back to the product page main page. At Amazon, a user didn't think to tap an arrow to view the review subpage, which contained the distribution star chart they were looking for. Similarly, some users consistently missed links to subpages, leaving them with a subpar content experience, as they thought the main page content was all that was available. Even when users found product page subpages, many had trouble navigating back. Several participants missed the site-provided backlinks and used the device back button instead, often ending up in the product list. It's best to avoid using subpages on mobile product pages. If subpages are necessary, clearly indicate additional content and ensure the back button takes users to the product page, not the product list. Hayneedle uses truncation effectively to avoid overwhelming users on the product page while avoiding subpages. The concept of subpages within product details pages breaks the long-standing desktop convention of one product equals one product details page. Many sites use subpages only in their mobile implementation, likely contributing to why some users consistently overlook them. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your product page layout, including over 110 product list guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.